Hey guys, my name is Khairy.
My name is Yami.
So
We are going to
cook
Boba.
boba. In this recipe, we have the equipment. It's bowl,
Pan,
saucepan,
spoon,
tray,
spatula, and drainer.
All we need are
tapioca flour, brown sugar, palm sugar, water, and sugar.
turn on the stove to medium heat and pour 25 cc of water in the pan. Add 3.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, but not in the boiling condition because it will make the taste bitter. And stir it to make the brown sugar melt. Turn off the stove, then move the pan. And add 1.5 tablespoons of tapioca flour and mix it until it turns thick. After that, add 160 grams of tapioca flour gradually to mix them easily until the texture turns doughy.
Spread the tapioca flour in a flat surface. Put the dough and don't forget to wash your hands because you're gonna mix the dough with it. Mix until it's become more solid.
In this part, don't be afraid to use your creativity to create your own boba. For this video, we make a regular size boba. But don't make it too big because when you boil the boba, it will get bigger and it cannot fit in your straw.
If you need help, call your friend because it took a long time to shake the boba.
If you're done, the boba will turn like this.
Provide boiling water and add sugar. It's up to you how many doses sugar you want to add because it will make the boba sweeter.
Add the boba and stir them until it reaches the surface.
Wait until 20 minutes and drain the boba.
Turn on the stove. Put the brown sugar and the palm sugar inside the pan.
Stir them well until it melts partially. Then add your boba to the sugar mixture.
Stir them all over again until the sugar mixture fully melts.
Pour the boba to the glass. It serves best with full cream, milk, or milk tea. Don't forget to put down some ice cubes.
Apparently, we are not using the ice cubes because it's raining outside. This boba recipe can make for about 6 cups.
And now, you can experience a whole new feel of drinking boba.
Enjoy your boba! Bye-bye!